Assalamu alaikum. Our lesson today is about the rules of the letter Ra. There are 3 conditions for pronouncing the letter Ra: heaviness, lightness, and situations where both pronunciations are allowed. The Ra with a kasra under it is always light.
كريما وقل لهما قولا كريما.
While the Ra with a fatha or dhamma on it is always heavy.
ربنا ربنا تقبل منا. أبصارها خاشعة.
This also applies to the Ra sakina that follows a fatha or a dhamma, which we pronounce heavily, like this.
غرقا والنازعات غرقا. قرآن وقرآن مبين.
The Ra sakina that comes right after a hamzat wasl is always mufakham or heavy.
ارتابوا أم ارتابوا.
Now, let's take a look at the Ra sakina that follows a kasra. The Ra sakina that comes right after a kasra is pronounced lightly when it is also followed by a light letter.
فرعون اذهب إلى فرعون.
It is pronounced heavily if it is followed by a heavy letter that does not have a kasra under it.
مرصادا إن جهنم كانت مرصادا.
Both pronunciations are allowed if it is followed by a heavy letter with a kasra under it.
فانفلق فكان كل فرق كالطود العظيم. فكان كل فرق كالطود العظيم.
There are 4 conditions left, and these apply to the Ra which becomes sakina due to waqf or a pause in the recitation. The Ra sakina is pronounced lightly at a pause when it follows a ya sakina.
خبير والله بما تعملون خبير.
The Ra here carries a haraka, but it is pronounced with a sukoon because we stopped on it. The ya sakina before it means we pronounce it lightly when we stop on this word.
ضير قالوا لا ضير.
The Ra sakina is pronounced heavily at a pause if it follows any letter with a sukoon that is not ya, when that letter follows a letter with a fatha or a dhamma.
والعصر والعصر خسر إن الإنسان لفي خسر.
The Ra sakina is pronounced lightly at a pause if it comes after a light letter with a sukoon, which follows a letter with a kasra.
السحر يعلمون الناس السحر.
Both pronunciations are allowed in the Ra sakina at a pause when it comes after a heavy letter with a sukoon, which follows a letter with a kasra.
وقال ادخلوا مصر وقال ادخلوا مصر. قطر قطر وأسلنا له عين القطر. وأسلنا له عين القطر.
And now, we can listen to the lesson again and practice the examples with our teachers. Barakallahu bikum, you've lit up the sky with 9 stars.